If you're scared of a monthly AI bill before you've earned a cent, listen. Two of the three biggest AI coding tools are genuinely free. The one everyone recommends isn't. I spent this week testing all three: Codex, Antigravity, and Claude Code, so you don't waste $1. By the end, you'll know exactly which one to install tonight, what each free tier actually gives you, and the honest catch on every single one. First, the thing that causes most of the confusion. When a video says a tool is free, that can mean three completely different things. Free forever, with real limits. Free with a daily quota that resets. Or free trial credits. And then you pay. Most videos blur all three together. We won't. And one quick definition, because the word agent gets thrown around a lot. A chatbot answers your question. An agent does the work. It reads your actual files, writes new ones, runs the commands, sees the error, and fixes it. All three tools here are agents. That's why they're worth learning even if you've never written a line of code. Tool 1 is OpenAI Codex, and it's the genuinely free starter. Codex is OpenAI's coding agent. It lives in your terminal, reads your project, writes and edits files, and runs commands for you. The command line tool itself is free software. You install it, you don't pay for it. Here's the part most people miss. You do not need a paid ChatGPT plan. Sign into Codex with a plain, free ChatGPT account, the $0 one you probably already have, and Codex is included. It's included on every tier: free, Go, Plus, Pro, Business, Enterprise. The free one just gets the smallest allowance. Now the honest catch. On the free tier, that allowance is small, and it's aimed at local coding tasks on your own machine. The cloud tasks are a paid feature. So Codex Free is genuinely great for learning, small scripts, and side projects. It is not an all-day, build my startup tool. So what can you actually build inside that small free allowance? Realistically, a script that renames or sorts hundreds of files, a simple landing page, a spreadsheet cleaner, a little tool that pulls data off a website. Those are real, sellable jobs, and they fit in the free tier. So that's one genuinely free option. The next one is far more powerful than most people realize, and honestly, it's the one I'd reach for first. Tool 2 is Google Antigravity, and right now it's the most capable free option out there. It launched in late 2025, and it's built on top of VS Code. So if you've ever opened VS Code, it'll look familiar. The difference is that it's agent first. You give it a goal, not a line of code. And it's not locked to Google's own models. Antigravity can run Gemini 3 and Claude and GPT models inside the same editor. It can plan work across your whole project, run several agents at once, and it can even drive a browser to test the thing it just built. For $0, that is a lot of tool. Here's the catch, and it's a big one. Antigravity is a free public preview, and Google keeps tightening that free quota. It started at around 250 requests a day. By the end of 2025, it was down to roughly 20 a day. That's a 92% cut. So it's genuinely powerful. You'll just spend your day rationing it. So with 20 requests, don't burn them on typos. Use Antigravity for the big swings. Scaffold an entire project from scratch, refactor across a dozen files at once, or have it build the thing and then open a browser and test it. Big asks, few requests. So which one isn't free? It's Claude Code, the tool everybody keeps recommending to beginners. Let's be precise, because this is where people get burned. The free Claude plan is chat only. You can talk to Claude in the browser all you like. But Claude Code, the terminal tool everyone is demoing, is not included in it. New API users get about $5 in free trial credits, which is maybe an hour of real work. After that, it's the Pro plan at $20 a month. And I want to be fair to it, because Claude Code might genuinely be the best of the three. Pro at $20 unlocks it. Max is $100 or $200 a month if you're running it hard. And if you maintain a qualifying open source project, Anthropic's open source program gives 6 months of Max for free. Just go in knowing you're paying. Now a warning, because this is the exact video you'll get recommended next. There's a whole genre of tutorials showing you how to chain free API keys through a gateway to unlock the paid tiers for free. Please don't. It breaks constantly, it can violate the terms you agreed to, and people get their accounts banned. The two genuinely free tools are free on purpose. Use those instead. So, head-to-head. Codex. Free forever on a free ChatGPT account, small allowance, local tasks. Antigravity. Free preview, the most powerful of the three, about 20 requests a day. Claude Code. Not free, $20 a month after roughly $5 of trial credits. 2 zeros and a 20. And if you're wondering whether to just pay, do the math honestly. $20 a month is $240 a year. If the tool helps you land one $300 freelance job, it paid for itself twice over. If it sits there unused while you promise yourself you'll learn, it's a subscription you're donating. Start free. Upgrade when it's earning. So here's my honest verdict. If you're a total beginner with no card and you just want to start tonight, Codex. It's the shortest path from zero to your first working thing. If you want the most capable free agent and you don't mind rationing requests, Antigravity. And if you're ready to build seriously and $20 is worth your time back, Claude Code. So here's your first hour. Step 1. Pick one, just one. Step 2. Install it and sign in with the free account. Step 3. Do not ask it to build a startup. Ask it for one tiny thing, a script that renames your files, a one-page site for a friend. Step 4. Finish that one thing. Finishing is the whole unlock. Because here's the real point. You can learn a genuinely income-earning AI skill this week for $0. The paywall is not the barrier you thought it was. The barrier is starting, and that part has always been free. So pick one, install it tonight, and build one tiny thing. That's the whole game. If the honest version of this stuff is what you've been looking for, subscribe, tech made simple, software made clear, no hype and no wasted money. See you in the next one.